Hey everyone, welcome on my channel. In today's video I explain you another topic, that is different approach for building mathematical models in data compression. First model is physical model. Then what is physical model? In physical model we know something about the physics of data generation process and we use that information to construct model. Means in physical model we have knowledge about the physics of data, some knowledge about the physics of data generation process, and we use that knowledge to construct model. Okay, let's take example like we construct a model for speech recognition system. Then you know that our loudness of our sound determined by air coming from our lungs, by how much vocal cord is vibrate at that time, and how much air pushed from our mouth. These three things determines our sound loudness. Then we use these three things data to construct our model, that is a physical model. Okay, we take another example like residential electrical meter. Then if you make a residential electrical meter for any society, then you have some knowledge about maximum or minimum electricity use that society in given period of time. Then according to that knowledge you construct a model, that is an example of physical model. Next model is probabilistic model. Then what is probabilistic model? First read the statement. The simple statistical model for the source is assumed that each letter that is generated by source is independent of every other letter and each occur with assigned probability PA. Firstly, it is a simple statistical model. It is a statistical model. Okay, and in this model we assume that each letter generated by source is independent of every other letters. Means each letter that are generated by source is independent to every other letter which are generated by that source. Okay, and each source has a assigned probability. We assume two things, that is each letter generated by source is independent to every other letters and each letter has assigned probability. Okay, we call this model it is ignorance model, as it would generally be useful only when we know nothing about the source. We call this model ignorance model. Okay, and we use this model when we have no knowledge about source. We doesn't know, we have nothing knowledge about the source, then we use probabilistic model. Here one example is given, like a source generate letter like A1, A2, A3, then each letter is independent to each other and each letter has its own probability, that is PA1, PA2, PAN, etc. Okay, now we study another model, that is composite model. And it is not simple to use single model to describe the source in many applications. Yeah, means we unable to describe source in many applications using a single model. So at that time we use composite model. In such a case composite model is used. Okay, means we unable to describe source using a single model in many applications, then at that time we use composite model. It is a view as combination of several source, like in figure it is given that it is a combination of several source and by source with only one source being active at a given time. Means only one source active at a given time, means it connected through switch, and switch active one source at a given time. This at this time, this source first is connected to switch, then this source is active is in this time. Next time it may be connected to source 3, then source 3 will be active at that time. This is whole composite model. Okay, I hope you understand.